Hello, and welcome to this NIM tutorial on self-service password reset, part 2. The next step is to create an inter-system relationship between your source system and the internal password reset table. Let's begin. Navigate to Processing Relations. Within the A side, select the following options: Internal, Password Reset, and External ID. Within the B side, select your source system, followed by the table that holds user information, and then the column that holds each user's unique identifier. Click Add, then click Save. I'll see you again in part 3.